Let's talk about another stock on the move. Home Depot shares, they've been under pressure during the past few weeks. Now, Bank of America is saying it is time to step to the sidelines. The analyst downgrading it to neutral, lowering the price target to $195. Our call of the day, a call which Jim Cramer this morning called devastating. I'm going to quote what he did, why he says that. They say, we believe 2018 was the peak in earnings growth. 2017 was the peak in comps. 2017 was also the peak in home sales. That doesn't tell you to buy this stock in any way, shape, or form.
I agree.
Is moving to the sidelines right? Is a sell?
I think a sell's too harsh. I think
all three key metrics have peaked. What do you tell people who are in this name today?
Look, it's a touch expensive. I wouldn't mind getting out of it. I certainly wouldn't short the stock. I think moving to the sidelines or using the term neutral is totally appropriate. Look, the economy is still growing, but Home Depot is a microcosmic example of the bigger picture here. We're not sure the growth rate going forward. We've got all these risks, whether it's tariffs or higher interest rates, all of which come home to roost on housing. And whether you like it or not, this stock is tied to the housing market.
Do we agree that no matter what, whether or not growth is good macroeconomically, do we agree that the funding costs for buying a new home plus the cost of renovation, if you're going to take out a loan,
are all going
up? Are up? Do we also agree? Do we also agree that the labor for construction projects? The labor for construction projects also going up in cost, right?
No,
okay.
Go on the sidelines. I mean, I think at this price, I don't know that you want to short this stock because things could get better, by the way. I mean, to the point that we're making about, if we get some resolution from China, animal spirits will come back to this economy in a hurry. I don't think you want to short this, but staying on the sidelines is perfectly fine until better news comes out.
The story in the stock is that it was part of the major expansion we had and beneficiary to Josh's point that he was getting to in another way of low rates that we saw over an extended period of time. We're not going to see that anymore. So the growth is going to slow. However, this is not your typical retail or your typical, department store where there's commodities, basically coats, commodity clothing. There are only two of these major retailers out there of significance, Lowe's and HD. So you should get a premium to that. If that's 15 times the normal department store, multiple of 10 to 12 times, that's fine.
In this report, the guy's actually saying, get out of HD, buy Lowe's.
Let me,
Lowe's turnaround.
Story,
Let me just point out the stock market, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Guys, can we throw this up intraday, please? You're going to see a pretty significant move.